Understanding, have number truck with. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, have no truck with. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a great example of how rich and varied English idioms can be. Stay with us as we break it down, explore its origins, and learn how to use it in everyday conversation. At its core, have no truck with means to refuse to associate with someone or something, to avoid involvement, or to have nothing to do with. It's not about literal trucks, but rather about a figurative distance or disassociation from people, concepts, or activities. Understanding the origins of have no truck with helps to grasp its meaning more fully. The word truck in this context comes from an old form of barter or exchange, not the vehicle we're all familiar with. The phrase evolved to mean a refusal to engage in exchange, dealings, or communication with someone or something. It's a fascinating journey from a concrete term of trade to a metaphorical expression of disengagement. To get comfortable with using have no truck with, let's look at some examples. I have no truck with dishonest people. This means you refuse to be associated with dishonest individuals. Our company has no truck with unethical business practices. Here, it's about distancing the company from unethical behavior. She has no truck with gossip. This indicates a person's refusal to engage in gossip. Using this phrase adds a layer of sophistication to your English, allowing you to express disassociation in a nuanced way. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, have no truck with. We hope this exploration has illuminated this interesting expression for you and that you can confidently integrate it into your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand the culture and history behind the language. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to our next English language adventure together.